when we say San Andreas, we're basically talking about the general plate boundary between North America and the Pacific Plate. So the surface of Earth is separated into a number of tectonic plates. There's 12 major ones and a whole bunch other minor ones that sort of interact along their boundaries. And the San Andreas Fault forms one of these boundaries between the North America Plate and the Pacific Plate. And in the case of the San Andreas, we think of the North America Plate because that's where we live. We use that as our reference frame. And in our reference frame, what's happening is the Pacific Plate is moving northwest relative to us stay here in the stable interior of North America. And the length of the San Andreas Fault, it runs all the way from the Gulf of California in the south, down in Baja California, up through southern, central, and up into a little bit of northern California. The largest earthquake we've ever recorded on planet Earth was in 1960. It was a magnitude 9.5 off the coast of Chile. There have only been a handful of magnitude 9 earthquakes at all, as far as we can identify in the kind of the historical record. The last major one, there was a 9.1 in Japan here back in 2011. These things are big and they're very rare, but the smaller events happen all the time. We just talked about transform faults. Do they open big cracks? No, they slide past one another. This seems to be a common theme in Hollywood movies. If you have a fault and that fault moves, it opens a giant crack. Apparently, it makes for better movies to have people fall in and stuff fall into these giant cracks. I don't know why. Doesn't matter what kind of fault, this is what you see. What else? Anybody else notice the fault move the wrong way? Look at the road, look at the gas station. It moved the wrong way.